Home Remedies presents How to treat toenail fungus at home. Fungal nail infections usually affect your toenails because toes are often warm and damp, which becomes an ideal surface for fungus growth. Toenail fungus is an infection that gets in through cracks in your nails or cuts in your skin. As the fungal infection goes deeper, nail fungus may cause your nail to discolor, thicken, and crumble at the edge. It can also hurt. In today's video, I will share with you 3 effective ways to get rid of toenail fungus. Carom Oil. Thymol in carom seeds is known as a strong germicide, antispasmodic, and fungicide. If you have toenail fungal infection, put carom oil with the help of cotton ball on your toenail. Wait at least 10 minutes until absorbed, then wash your feet or hands. Apply it 3 to 4 times daily till it cures completely. Oregano Oil. Oregano oil also contains a special antibacterial ingredient, thymol, that is key to fighting toenail fungus. To disinfect and treat your toenail fungus, apply a few drops of oregano oil to a cotton ball or swab and gently dab it over your nails twice daily. Wait at least 10 minutes until absorbed, then wash your feet or hands. Vinegar. Vinegar is considered reasonably safe home remedy as a treatment for toenail fungus. To use, soak the affected foot in 1 part vinegar to 2 parts warm water for up to 20 minutes daily. Dry feet completely when done. Please note that in all cases, it may take 2 to 3 weeks or longer to see improvement in symptoms. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.